We told you yesterday about bird flu turning up in North Austin. Well, we've learned those samples came from ducks in the Arboretum area.
And the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department says multiple dead ducks tested positive for the disease that continues to spread across the country. KXAN's Sarah Alshay explains the risk it poses to people and how officials recommend stopping the spread.
The pond at the Arboretum Shopping Center, an area where some come to feed ducks. Now the same place where the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department says multiple dead ducks tested positive for the highly pathogenic avian influenza, also known as the bird flu.
There was a call that was received to us about some ducks that had been found dead in the pond.
This part of a growing spread across the country and state. Earlier this week, the Louisiana Department of Health reported a 65-year-old person passed away from the disease. The person reportedly had underlying medical conditions. The World Health Organization says bird flu's risk to the public is low.
It's not circulating in humans, but it is jumping into humans who are exposed, particularly those exposed to poultry or to the dairy cattle, the two sort of groups where we're seeing most of the movement from animal to human, but we're not seeing sustained circulation.
Still, Sarah Wyckoff, a wildlife veterinarian for Texas Parks and Wildlife, stresses the importance of taking steps to help stop the spread.
Avoid any type of congregation or bringing these animals together. So we are going to recommend that any type of bird feeding, whether it's, ducks or geese or just something at these lake areas, we really want to kind of stop people from doing that.
Sarah Alshay, KXAN News.
Now, as for what to look out for, Parks and Wildlife says sick birds will appear a bit twitchy. Sarah actually found a duck at the pond today exhibiting behavior that may have fit this description. Take a look. We sent this video to Parks and Wildlife so they can analyze. Now, in some cases, authorities say you might see an infected bird with their neck completely twisted. Parks and Wildlife says do not handle dead birds. If you see one you think is sick, just contact them. We have more information over at KXAN.com.